सब्सक्राइब करें हमारा ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल और बेल आइकन दबाकर पाएं सभी नोटिफिकेशन।
नमस्कार, मैं हूं आपके साथ परमीत कौर वालिया। MH1 प्राइम देख रहे हैं, आप सभी का स्वागत है। इस कोविड-19 के टाइम पर रिलेशनशिप्स काफ़ी सफ़र कर रही हैं, मैरिजेस सफ़र कर रही हैं। आप सभी को पता है कि किस तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स से हम लोग गुजर रहे हैं। हमारे साथ आज बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट हमें ज्वाइन कर चुकी हैं। शी इज़ मैरिएला। आपको बता दें कि मैरिएला एक सिस्टेमिक साइकोथेरेपिस्ट हैं। 20 ईयर्स का इनको एक्सपीरियंस है। और सबसे अच्छी चीज़ ये है कि जिस प्रोग्राम की आज मैं बात कर रही हूँ, जिस टॉपिक की आज मैं बात कर रही हूँ, वो उनकी भी एक्सपर्ट हैं। शी इज़ मैरिज एक्सपर्ट, डिप्रेशन, एंजाइटी, बहुत सारे इशू से फाइट करती हैं, लोगों को मोटिवेट करती हैं। मैरिएला हमें ज्वाइन कर चुकी हैं। हाय मैरिएला।
Hi, how are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
Yes, all good, all good. Yes,
All
I'm
good?
very happy to be back.
Happy to be back?
Yes.
Okay, so Mariela, my first basic question is, how's your experience in lockdown days?
Yes, my personal experience is that has been positive. Of course, I struggle like any other person, but maybe also due to my profession, I know what to implement in my life in order to make it pleasant enough, also during some hard time.
ओके, सो मैरिएला, इंट्रो के टाइम पर जब मैंने बोला कि आप मैरिज एक्सपर्ट हैं, बहुत सारे लोगों को ये इश्यूज रहते हैं। आई वांट टू आस्क कि हाउ इज़ द लॉकडाउन इफेक्टेड आवर पर्सनल लाइव्स एंड चेंज्ड आवर रिलेशनशिप्स विद आवर लव्ड वंस?
Yes, yes, very good questions. And I do have a lot of clients who are coming back to me, couples, and telling me, some of them are telling me that they actually are doing better. They're spending more time together. They are doing dinners together. They're talking more. Some others are actually struggling because being in the same space for so many hours, being together, when you're not used to spend so much time, might put, too much pressure on the partners and the family. Plus, the children are also always around. So more situation and chances to get upset or to, you have less distractions now. You don't travel, you don't travel for work, so everything is happening inside the house, and there is creating tensions in some families. Some others, as I said, some couples are actually doing very well.
Okay, so Mariela, how can we face with these situations?
Yes, what I always suggest my clients is actually to work together as a team. So it's not about one person and the other person. If you are on the same team, even if you have discussion or conversation, you will not end up in fights because you all have the same goal. So in order to feel or to strengthen the relationship, remember, you are part of the same team, and that will help. And many other things, of course.
Okay. So how Corona changed the way we fight and express our loved one?
Yes. How people fight differently, I think people fight more. People fight more because, as I said before, there are more chances, more occasions to fight. So it's very important to have allocated space where you spend time to work, where you spend time with the family, where you have your solo time with your wife or with your husband in terms of dates, so that you don't, you're not invading the other person's space. Some people need more space, some people need always to be together. There is something that you need to negotiate. So being always together is also not good because you need time to focus on your own self and nurture yourself. The relationship or the spouse or the family cannot be the only place where we get every needs met. So we need some private time, time with the family, time with the husband and wife, but we need to do it intentionally. Some people think that love is enough, but it's not. Love is enough to stay together, but then to make it into a healthy and positive and good relationship, some work is needed.
Okay, if we can talking about children's, so education has become entirely online now, right? What impact will this have on children, and how will it affect their overall growth, both personal and academic?
Yes. I'm not too sure how to answer to the bit about the academic, because we have never been in this place before. So I think we will need to wait and see. But of course, if we think that when we, even if I'm sure if you think when you were in school and there was a teacher that you like, you were more prone in learning, in going to school, there was more enthusiasm, you're more passionate about the subject. When you have session online, you don't have that special connection, I believe, and that might get in the way of the you know, the academic learning. And of course, thinking of the personal bit, it's about the relationship that you can have with your friends in school. You know, you have a special friend, you spend time playing, talking, and if you don't see the person when you are a child, it's not so easy to have like a conversation on the phone or video chat. So maybe that's a bit that some children can miss out. And if I think of special needs children who are struggling because they have some special needs, of course it's much more difficult and they cannot be left alone. So the parent, one of the parents always need to be there, and they might also, you know, pay the higher price.
Children using more electronic products. If I can say this, there is a risk of addiction if you're using more than electronic products.
Yes, there is a risk, and some parents are worried about that. But of course, it's not just the addiction, it's not just for the children. The addiction is also for the parents, and the parents should give a good example. There should be a certain allocated time. There should be rules when you talk to somebody in the family, not to be on the phone, or always looking at each other when you talk, having some activities which don't involve being online. There are some families that even play games online, and if you think that the children are already all day online, maybe it's not the best idea. Maybe play some other activities. And for the child, of course, for the child to not to be too prone in overusing all these gadgets, you need to come up with some good activities. You cannot tell the child not to use the device and then not suggest an alternative. An alternative also needs to be something entertaining, because all these social media are also very entertaining.
So, Mariella, what other activities children can do?
Yes, I think the parents should introduce, I don't know, maybe time to read together or play some games that can be played inside, and also spending time to have to talk about how they feel, to talk about what's going on in the world, so that they will create a stronger bond.
Okay, so Mariella, people worrying too much due to this COVID-19.
Yes.
So, what message would you like to convey?
Yes, that is true. I mean, and it's not just during this time. People who are warriors, they are always worrying no matter what. But maybe now the number of people doing this unhealthy activity has increased. And as you know, if you worry or you don't worry, you're not going to change the future. You're not going to change the situation. The situation is going to stay the same if you worry or you don't worry. But when you worry, it's like you are telling your brain, or your brain is telling you actually, that you're doing something, but you're actually doing nothing. You're just wasting your time. So now I'm going to close with a little example. So, Parmet,
Yes.
if I'm going to punch you, and you don't know I'm going to punch you, or I'll tell you I'm going to punch you, the amount of pain that you will feel is going to be the same or different?
I think it's same.
Yes, because you know or you don't know, pain is the same. Pain is pain.
Right.
So guys, don't worry, it's not going to change anything. Just stay positive and things will get better.
Right. Okay, so Mariella, thank you so much. Thank you so much. You shared your experiences. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much for having me. Dhanyavad. Don't think I speak Hindi.
सो थैंक यू, धन्यवाद मैरियला। सो ये थी मैरियला हमारे साथ, जिन्होंने अपने एक्सपीरियंस हमारे साथ शेयर करे। उन्होंने बताया कि किस तरह से आप अपने रिलेशनशिप को पॉजिटिव रख सकते हैं, किस तरह से, क्योंकि हम सब एक कोरोना वॉरियर हैं, और किस तरह से आप पॉजिटिव रह सकते हैं, ये इन्होंने हमारे साथ अपने एक्सपीरियंस जो है शेयर किए। तो इसी के साथ इस खास पेशकश में इतना ही, दीजिए इजाज़त, नमस्कार।